Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of our 450 watt industrial grade high bay. It's designed for replacing 1000 watt metal halides where you want more light. It's very rugged. We've been offering this product for several years. Our customers really like it, but it is a monster. It puts out the light. It comes with special optics. Standard comes with a 60-degree optic. Usually you're going to find this is mounted at 40 to 70 feet, but really where you have 1000 watts and you need more light. You usually find it in industrial environments, as you can see, very rugged. You can withstand extreme environments, dust, whatever you may have. It does come standard 100 277, and you can also get a 347 480 volt version. There are tighter optics if your mounting height is very high. But we do offer lighting plan services, so if you've got a big facility, you want to confirm how much light you're going to get on the floor, and we talk to one of our lighting specialists and they can take care of that for you. So give us a call. Have a great day.